Okay, so you can see, and I had to put the phone down because I had to use two hands, but all I did was I connected this dot and this dot by holding this protractor and then just tracing it along that line. Okay, so I have some more things that I have to do here. Now I have the challenge, you can see here, but I'm gonna show you again how to do this. It says, draw a triangle with one angle whose measure is 85 degrees and has one side length of 2 inches. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna start with my side length. Okay, so I'm gonna just flip my paper over here. Okay, so I'm gonna start by drawing a side length of 2 inches. Now again, I have to be careful and make sure that I'm using centimeters and inches where I'm supposed to. So this one actually only has centimeters. So I'm gonna get a ruler. Okay, so now I have a ruler. All right, so this side's centimeters, this side's inches. So I need to draw 2 inches. So starting from right there, and then, again, it doesn't work that well with only one hand. I need to draw a straight line to 2 inches. Okay, here, we'll do it like this. So here's where my line's gonna start. Here's where my line's gonna end, because that's 2 inches. I'm gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna connect my line. And that's gonna look a lot better because now my line is straight, minus those little scragglies that I had. Okay, now the other direction that I had was, this is the wrong problem. The other direction that I had was to have a side length of 2 inches and an 85-degree measure. So here's 2 inches. So what I need to do now is, again, using the corner, I need to line it up here, and now I need to measure my 85-degree angle. So again, starting from 0, 80 is gonna be less than 90. Here's a 90-degree angle, here's 80. So 85 is gonna be right in between there. Okay, so from my 2-inch line, that's where I started. For my 2-inch line, now I need to line up that spot, ooh, and look, it's not lined up, with my corner so that I can accurately draw my 85-degree angle. Okay, so what I have there now is an angle, but it says that I need a triangle. So in order for it to be a triangle, I have to connect this point to this point because a triangle always has 3 sides. So I'm gonna line up my corners and then close that shape. Okay, so what I have here now is a triangle that's 2 inches in length with an angle that's 85 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna do one of the problems on the self-check, and then that would be one that you could try. So it says to draw a right triangle with one side length of 8 centimeters. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on the back. So I have a right triangle. So that means with a 90-degree angle and one side length of 8 centimeters. Okay, so to make it easy for myself, I'm gonna start with my side length, and I can use this one this time because it's in centimeters. So there's 8 centimeters, there's 0 centimeters, and so what I need to do is to connect that line. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do again is I'm gonna line up my protractor. So this was 8 centimeters. I'm gonna line it up on the corner. Now I know a 90-degree angle is perpendicular. It goes straight up and down. There's 90 degrees. Okay, so all I have to do is match up this corner and make a straight line. Okay, So since it's a triangle, so there's my 90-degree angle. It's not perfect because I couldn't hold my ruler while I was holding the phone. Now I'm gonna connect the last 2 corners to make my triangle. Hey.
What are you doing?
Finishing a video for a student. Okay, and there you have it. There's my triangle. Okay, so the important thing is to make sure you're using your protractor correctly, using your ruler correctly, and connecting all of your lines.